Most people think they're cooking with healthy oils. But what if I told you that one of the most popular oils in American and European kitchens may actually harm your heart, increase inflammation, and damage your cells when heated? Today, we're breaking down the #1 oil you should never cook with, according to doctors and recent medical research from the USA and Europe. Health-conscious viewers like you deserve clear, simple, science-based guidance. So let's begin. #1. What happens when the wrong oil is heated? Oils may look the same, but they behave very differently when heated. Some oils become unstable, meaning their molecules break down. This process forms toxic aldehydes, inflammatory byproducts, free radicals. These compounds can increase risk for heart disease, inflammation, digestive issues, oxidative stress, long-term chronic illnesses. And yes, these problems appear even if the oil is marketed as healthy. **2. The oil you should never cook with: vegetable oil, especially soybean oil. Doctors, cardiologists, and nutrition researchers in the USA, Europe strongly warn against cooking with generic vegetable oil. Vegetable oil blends usually contain soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil, rapeseed oil. But the biggest danger is soybean oil, which is the primary ingredient in most vegetable oil bottles. Why soybean-based vegetable oil is harmful when heated? 1. Very high in omega-6 fats. Omega-6 is not bad on its own, but Americans and Europeans already get 10 to 20 times more omega-6 than the body needs. This imbalance triggers chronic inflammation, according to multiple studies. 2. Extremely unstable at high temperatures. When heated, vegetable oil breaks down and forms toxic compounds linked with arterial damage, increased LDL oxidation, cellular inflammation, metabolic strain. 3. Highly processed and chemically extracted. Many vegetable oils are extracted using high heat, industrial solvents, chemical refining. All these steps degrade the oil's quality even before it reaches your pan. #3. What doctors say about cooking with vegetable oil. Cardiologists in the USA and Europe recommend avoiding vegetable oils for frying, sautéing, or high-heat cooking because the combination of heat plus unstable fats leads to harmful oxidation. A 2024 European Dietary Review also found that oxidized oils significantly increase systemic inflammation, a major risk factor for high blood pressure, insulin resistance, obesity, heart disease, early aging. So even if the bottle says heart healthy, the science says otherwise.
#4. Signs your oil has gone rancid or toxic. Even before heating, vegetable oil can go rancid quickly. You may notice strong smell, sticky texture, ebiter or paint-like taste, throat irritation during cooking, smoke appearing too early. If you've experienced these during cooking, your oil may have already turned harmful. #5. What should you use instead? Doctor-recommended alternatives. Doctors in the USA or Europe recommend switching to stable, heat-safe oils. 1. Extra virgin olive oil for low-medium heat, rich in antioxidants, supports heart health, extremely stable. 2. Avocado oil for medium-high heat, great monounsaturated fat profile, high smoke point. 3. Refined coconut oil for high heat cooking, very stable, saturated fat profile. 4. Ghee clarified butter, ancient cooking fat, stable even at high temperatures. Using these oils reduces inflammation, protects your heart, and supports healthy metabolism. #6. Practical tips for safe cooking. USA Europe lifestyles. Always choose oils in dark bottles. Store oils away from heat and light. Never reuse cooking oil. Avoid deep frying with vegetable oil. Prefer sautéing, baking, and steaming. Read labels carefully. Many olive oils contain vegetable oil blends. Your health improves dramatically when you choose heat-stable oils. #7. Final takeaway: what you must remember: the oil you use every single day affects your inflammation levels, heart health, weight, long-term disease risk. And the truth is simple: vegetable oil, especially soybean oil, should never be used for cooking. Choose clean, stable oils instead. Before we end, for more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.